Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can install Joomla on your Windows 10 using the XAMPP server. If you don't know how to install XAMPP server, you can watch this video. So first of all, you need to visit this website joomla.org to download the latest version of Joomla. And then open your downloads folder. Here you can see I have already downloaded Joomla, Drupal and other content management systems, but in this video I will focus on Joomla only. So after downloading Joomla, you need to extract all these files. I am using 7-zip, which is a free software to extract all files. So now I am going to create a new folder, name it Joomla. Open this folder and I will extract all these files in this folder. Now after extracting all these files, you can go back and close this folder, zip archive. Here you can see all these files. Now we need to copy this folder. Now go to C drive, XAMPP directory, and here you can see htdocs. Now open this folder and paste this Joomla folder here. We also need to start XAMPP server. So normally you can just go to start menu and search for XAMPP to start XAMPP server. But in Windows 10 something is wrong with this system, so I cannot find the XAMPP icon in the start menu. So I will show you how you can do it manually. Now go to XAMPP folder in C drive, scroll down and here you can see XAMPP-control. Double click on it to launch this one, and now you can see this option. Now we need to start all these services. If you go here, let's quit it again and I will restart it again. Now here you can see XAMPP icon and we can start all these services. Apache, MySQL. And now you can see this green icon, it means Apache and MySQL is running. Now open your browser and type localhost and you will see this page. It means XAMPP server is running. Now go to phpMyAdmin. We need to create a database for Joomla. Click on this databases tab. Enter your database name. In my case, it is Joomla, but you can name your database whatever you like. After creating our database, go back to your XAMPP directory. Go to htdocs and here you can see Joomla. So whatever your installation name is, you need to remember this name. Now if you will open your browser and type localhost /Joomla, if your directory name is Joomla, you will see this installation page. Here you can see Joomla configuration page. So first of all, you need to select the language, then select your site name. I am going to choose to create a blog.com. Then you need to type your email address, username and password. Now site is offline, you can check or uncheck this option, but leave this default. Now click next. Now we need to add our database information. So in XAMPP server, database name, host name is localhost. So leave this as it is. Username is root, and leave this password field blank. Our database name is Joomla that we created earlier. Now table prefix, you can change it if you like, but I am not going to change this one. Now click next. Now you can see the final step, install sample data. You have multiple options to choose from, and you can choose none, this is default, or you can also choose the blog and some other options. So let's try this one, learn Joomla English with sample data. Now you can also see some more settings for email and other settings, and you can see the pre-installation check. Now click install, and Joomla installation has begun. It will take some time. And now you can see Joomla has been installed successfully. You can see this message. You can also take extra steps to install your own local languages. You can see this warning message. Please remember to completely remove the installation folder. You will not be able to proceed beyond this point until the installation folder has been removed. This is a security feature of Joomla. So let's click on this button, remove installation folder. Now you can see installation folder removed. Now we can visit our Joomla website, or you can also click on this administrator link to view the administration page. Now if I will type my username and password, I can log into Joomla administration. Something is wrong with my username and password. Okay, I will fix this issue. But now here you can see our sample data for our website. To log in, you just need to type administrator at the end of your website URL to log into your administration dashboard. You just need to type your username and password, and you will be able to log into your administration page. So this is how you can easily install and manage your Joomla website locally on your Windows computer. Thank you very much for watching this video.